Facebook marketing is a type of marketing that uses Facebook as a platform to promote products and services. Facebook provide a place where users can share ideas, opinions, pictures, videos, and messages. In today's world, where people spend a lot of time online, companies use the social media platforms to connect with their customers and clients. In addition to old marketing channels such as print ads, TV ads, or radio advertising, now, Facebook marketing can also be used to target people who have expressed interest in a particular topic or brand. Facebook marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach out to your target audience and connect with them on a personal level. People who use Facebook visit pages run by businesses to get updates on promotions and new products. Therefore, companies can post information about themselves, or display their products, or offer deals and discounts, or promote new products, or engage with potential clients. Facebook marketing is a great way to build relationships with your target audience and connect with them on a personal level. By understanding your audience and targeting your marketing campaigns accordingly, you can increase your ROI and maximize the potential for success. Hope you have understood thoroughly what Facebook marketing is, and how effective is this marketing strategy in current times. Thank you for watching this video. Please do comment if you got any query and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe digitally.